Running ad campaigns can be an effective way in making money with CPA marketing right here. That's why in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how you could successfully run an ad campaign right now on a very cool platform called the PropellerAds.com. So if you do walk with me right through to the end of this video, you will learn how to run ad campaigns on Propeller Ads to promote your CPA marketing offers. And if you're new to my channel, OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways you could make money online with the help of artificial intelligence and to make money with CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. If you do like such content, scroll through my channel, you'll be able to see a lot of videos that could help you out. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I do release videos that could help boost your income online. So diving right back into the video of today, firstly we're going to head on to this particular platform called CPA Grip. And if you do go on to selecting an offer on CPA Grip right here, I'm actually utilizing a United States offer. So I'm going to just simply filter based on payout and actually going to go on to selecting a very cool sweepstake offer, maybe a giveaway offer. And this is a very cool and attractive one that gives out $10,000 to the audience right now, or my leads right there. So all you need to do right here is to just simply see more details that the offer is for people in the United States that uses Android devices. All they need to do is to submit their email address by going through a survey using this your unique affiliate link, and you're going to get paid $2.22 for every person that does that. So right now what you want to do is to just simply copy the link to the offer right here and head on to creating a very simple landing page, either with the Google site or the Breezy Cloud or any other landing page builder site of your choice. I'm not going to walk you through how you could create a landing page right now so as not to make the video quite lengthy. But if you are finding it difficult creating a landing page, I have videos on my channel that show you how to do just that. Head on to my channel, OJ Marketing, click on the search icon and just simply go on to type in a landing page right here in this search section. So if you do type in landing page and click on enter, you'll be able to see the videos I created for you that shows you how to create simple landing pages right now. This one shows you how to go on to making a landing page and earn up to $500 a day. This shows you how to create a landing page with Systeme.io. This is with Google site, this is with Webflow, and the list keep going on and on. So check out such videos as they could help you easily create a landing page that could help you go on to increasing the conversion rate to your CPA marketing offers. So what you want to do next, guys, is to head on to this platform called PropellerAds.com. and this is an advertising platform you can actually do go on to utilizing to run paid ads. So right here with this platform, you just need to go on to signing up to the platform by clicking on start. Follow the necessary procedures to sign up. It is quite easy, so I'm not going to walk you through that right there in this video. Once you do sign up and log into your account, you should be brought to a page such as this. And right here, once you're on this page right now, you could just simply come right here to this section that says add funds. Click on that and you can then just simply go on to funding your account via the bank card, the Union Pay, PayPal, or utilizing Skrill right now. So go on to utilizing any one of these options to go on to funding your account via this platform. Once you successfully fund your account, come right here, click on create campaign, and you could just simply start creating your campaign on this platform. So right now for my campaign, I could just simply go on to giving it a name, something like CPA offer. And if I do give it a name such as this right here, I want to select the ad format I want to go on to utilizing, but I do prefer the push notification right there because this is actually known to be much more effective when compared to other ad format right there. You can select the push notification type, either you want to use just the classic push or just the in-page push, or you want to utilize both. I want to use only the classic push. That's why I'm going to turn off the in-page push notification. For the pricing model, I prefer utilizing the cost per click because they actually do get better impressions right there. So you can actually do go on to utilizing any other pricing model of your choice. But right here, guys, in this target URL, you want to paste in the link to that your CPA marketing offer. But if you're actually linking that offer to a landing page, copy the link to the landing page, and that's what you're actually going to go on to pasting in this target URL. Right now, if you do keep on scrolling through, you want to select the traffic sources. Either you want to use just Propeller Ad traffic, or you want to use other companies that partner with Propeller Ads also. So right now, guys, I'm just going to turn off the partner traffic right here. You can actually do see user activity. I'm going to leave this turned on all. Now for the countries and bid section right here, you just want to come right here and insert the country to which you want to drive traffic to. And I'm just going to go on to insert in the United States. Since our offer is actually a United States offer, you could add more countries, but I'm going to leave that as it is. In the cost per click section, you want to put in an amount that is actually similar to the recommended right there, or maybe slightly above the recommended. I can just simply go on to put in 0.11. So once that has been inserted right there, you can actually target places in the United States by cities or by states. I'm going to leave this by cities right now, but you could include cities you want to start targeting. And you can see right here that you could add city targeting to reach people in certain cities. But if you don't actually add that, it's going to target all cities right there. So I'm going to leave that as it is. For the advertising budget, you want to just simply come right here and insert your budget. And Propeller Ads right here does not actually accept budget lower than $30 a day. As you can see right here, please note that budget below $30 might be exceeded. So you just need to go on to put in something above $30 a day. And if I want this ad to run for like 6 days, I'm just going to multiply 30 times 6, and that should actually give me about $180 right now. So if I do insert that right there, you can see that has been inserted. You want to select the targeting platform right now. And from our offer previously, guys, you can actually do see right here that this offer is an Android offer, which means that is a mobile device offer. So I'm just going to come right here to this section, and once I do head on to this section, I'm going to just simply select mobile only. For the OS, you can actually select Android. As you can see, that has actually been inserted for us because we're going to be targeting that specific device right there. So you can see much more details right now about this map right here. This actually indicates the amount of click you'll be getting, that is the blue line, while the red actually indicates the conversion rate which you'll be getting right there. So that's actually kind of cool right now. So guys, heading forward right here, you can go into filling out your OS version, the browser which you want to use. I'm going to leave that as it is. For this particular interest, I'm going to select giveaway because that's kind of like a giveaway offer, and this is not actually for any gender specific right now, so I'm going to leave that as it is. Also, the offer is not age specific, so I'm going to leave that as it is right there. And once you do come right here, one very important section is the creative, how this ad will actually be shown to your audience right there, which is why you need to just simply take out much of your time to edit this creative section. Now you need to actually insert a very cool and eye-catchy title that you want to use for your offer right now. Maybe if I want to just simply use exactly the same title so as not to waste much time right here, I'm just going to use the same title with CPA Grip, copy the title, head back to Propeller Ads and paste that in right here in this section. As you can see, that is actually done. For the description right here, I'm just going to use exactly the same one with CPA Grip right here so as not to waste much of our time. But guys, why not just simply take out much of your time to actually create something that is actually kind of eye-catchy and cool right now. So you can actually do see right here that I've exceeded the amount of characters I can actually use right now for the description, which is why I'm just going to re-edit this right now. I'm just going to delete some sections right here, and you can see right here this actually looks quite better. So right now for this icon section, you need to just simply also insert cool images that are attractive to your audience. So I'm just going to go on to getting this image right here from CPA Grip. Right click on the image, save the image on my device right now. As you can see, I'm saving the image on my device. So once the image has actually been saved, I'm just going to upload that on this landscape section. So if I click on upload, I'm going to just simply go into the download section and select that exact image. As you can see right here, the image is actually being uploaded. You want to select the section you want to just simply show in the image and click on crop image, and that has been inserted right there. For the icon right now, guys, you want to just simply use a different image right there that is kind of attractive also, because this is going to be like an icon or a logo. So supposing I actually do scroll through my device, but you want to make sure you have something prepared, so I'm just going to scroll through my device and select something kind of different. As you can see right here, this is like a giveaway image right now. So if I do select this and click on crop, as you can see, that has been added, and you can see the preview section right here. This is how the ad is going to look like for Android users. This is how it's going to look like on the Windows devices and also for the Mac OS devices. As you can see right here, both are actually having the image and the logo right here, which you just inserted right now. As you can see, the text which you inserted also is right here in this section. So you want to just simply go on to adding more creatives right here. As you can see, it is recommended that you add at least 4 creatives or more because the creatives actually helps you go on to increasing your chances of getting better conversions to that offer. And for each creative, you want to make sure that you're using a different text combination with the previous creative. You want to make sure you're using the different images right there, such as icons and logos, and also landscape images. Use something that's quite different and just simply give that something kind of different text combinations right there to actually make them kind of different right now. And once you do that, guys, you can then just simply go onto this section and declare and guarantee that your campaign meets the quality guidelines before starting to run a campaign on this platform and reaching out to a lot of audience right there. And that will help you in turn make money with CPA marketing. So this is an amazing way which you can actually go on to running profitable ads right here with CPA Grip and Propeller Ads. And if the video did add any form of value to you, why not just simply hit the like button to the video. Also guys, make sure you're subscribed to my channel by hitting the subscribe button, and also make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.